Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see how to make gifts for your goodie bags in the theme of Superman. So, don't forget to like my video, share it, and subscribe to my channel and support me always. So, I made this Superman themed goodie bag gifts. So you can also use this as a welcome gift to your school kids. So the first day you need to give some gifts to welcome your students. So you can use this as a welcome gift. So also you can write it is going to be a super school year on the back of the cape. So I did the Superman theme for my classroom decoration. So you can go see the video here in this link, which I'm gonna provide it over here. It is such an interesting video, and I also applied these things in that video. So let us see how I made this Superman theme goodie bag gift ideas. Let's go. So first I took the Superman logo, I traced it on a paper, and I started to cut the small one first, but it was so difficult to cut in paper itself, so I thought it will not work in glitter paper, so I had to use the bigger one which I traced, and so I cut the bigger one. So I cut the bigger Superman logo. I cut it neatly, and you can also use the cutter thing, but I use my scissors because I always prefer that my scissor is better, and it's quite efficient for me. So I use my scissors to cut the Superman logo. You can see that I cut it perfectly neatly. Now I'm going to use this as my tracing tool, and I'm going to trace it on the back of the glitter paper. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to flip the Superman logo and trace it at the back of the glitter paper. Okay, if you're tracing it in the front part of the glitter paper, then you can keep it as it is, but since I'm tracing it at the back of the glitter paper, I have to flip the Superman logo or whatever I'm going to trace. This is the main tip. Second tip which I would love to provide you all is that you need to, I don't waste glitter sheets. Okay, so it's very important to me that I waste the least amount of glitter sheets as possible. So what I do is I trace everything closely to each other. Two things if I do that. One thing is it is very easy to cut. It'll be easy if you do a lot of course, if it's going to be a goodie bag or a welcome gift for your kids, it's going to be lots. So this is a very good tip. You need to closely draw it, so it will be very useful for you to decorate, cut the pieces and also not waste the glitter sheet. Next is the cape. So I traced the cape on a paper. Now I'm cutting the paper for the cape. Okay, so here you go. I'm cutting the cape now. Once I cut the cape, I'm going to trace the cape on my red sticker paper. So if you can see, I have this red sticker paper. It's such a big paper. It's a full roll, but I had this extra piece where I did last time. So here also I'm going to keep, since when you invert the cape also it's going to be the same. So I'm just keeping it as it is, and I'm going to trace the cape. So once I trace the cape, I'm going to give two flaps in the side so that I can wrap the lollipop or the cellotape or the pencil or any gifts which I'm going to provide to my kids in the cape. Okay, so that's why I have the two flaps in the side. Okay, now I'm cutting the cape. Do subscribe to my channel and support me, my dear friends. Once I cut the cape neatly, you can see that's it. So this is how I did it. And if you're doing any Superman theme for your classroom or for the birthday celebration. You can check out the ideas which I did in my classroom. I have already provided that video in the link, so you can just go see it. You can see here I have used this for the dull pencil and the sharp pencil. For that also I have used it. So there you can see there is also the cape, the two pencil holders, though it is wearing a cape, and it is the same method where I'm doing it now. I use the same method like this. Again, you can use a cutter and a cutting board instead of cutting in scissors if you think it's so difficult. But I prefer this because the cutting board needs real patience, and I don't think I have that. So it's better for me. I prefer scissors are far more better. So you can see that I'm cutting the pieces, the small pieces for the Superman logo. So it's the outer side, it is easy to cut, but when you see the inside part is little difficult, so you need to slowly do it. And here I think I missed a part, so I'm cutting it again, and I'm seeing that it is so neat. You can see that the logo is the main thing. Only if you keep the cape, it is not fulfilling. So we need the logo. Only then it looks super duper. So when you just need to take the glue gun, apply it on the logo and stick it on the cape. Okay. So once that is done, so you can see here I'm sticking the logo on the cape, and that's it. My cape is ready. It's such a simple themed idea for your party or for your classroom decoration. You can use it anywhere where you think it'll be helpful to you. So now I'm going to cut the two flap ends of sticker only, not the full cape. Okay, so why I'm doing this, because when you just do this, when the kid goes home, if he finishes off his lollipop, or he can throw the pencil, but he can remove this sticker and he can stick it on his cupboard or any book. So he can have a Superman sticker, a cape sticker, or he can use it for his doll or her doll. So I think this is such a cool idea. Thank you so much for your support, my dear friends. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.